Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple ways to protect your health every day. Today's topic is about an organ that works silently, yet plays a critical role in your life. Your kidneys. They filter waste. They balance fluids. They keep your system stable, day after day without rest. But when your kidneys become overloaded, your body begins to show signs. Fatigue. Swelling. Discomfort. This is where your daily food choices become important. Let's explore natural foods that support kidney function. First, cucumber. High water content helps your body stay hydrated. Proper hydration supports kidney filtration. Next, watermelon. Rich in water, light on digestion. It helps your system feel refreshed. Then parsley. Often overlooked. It supports natural fluid balance. Another important option, lemon. It supports hydration. It may help reduce risk of certain kidney issues. Then berries. Rich in antioxidants. They help protect your body from internal stress. These foods do not act as medicine. They act as support. Gentle, natural, consistent. When you include them in your daily routine, your body begins to respond. Your system feels lighter. Fluid balance improves. Energy becomes more stable. Because your kidneys do not need extreme solutions. They need care. Simple habits. Better choices. Daily attention. Protect your kidneys. Protect your life. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,